So how to download videos from Telegram. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. First, of course, make sure you have your Telegram app updated to latest version, and then from there we go ahead and open it. Of course, you have to be logged in, go to the conversation that you have to download videos from, and then tap on the three dots on the top right of every video right here. Once you tap there, a menu will pop up. Tap on save to gallery or save to downloads. It's the same thing. Just like that, the video is saved to your device. You can tap to open the video and do the same, so tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then tap on save to gallery. Again, the video will be saved to your device just like that. Now you can find a lot of videos that are sent at the same time. You can just tap on the three dots on top of every video again and again and again to download the videos just like that. As you can see here. Now once you quit Telegram, you go to your gallery, you will find all of your videos that you have downloaded right here. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.